Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Clued into Crafting. Have you been wearing a face mask? I know I have, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today here on this episode. We've got a lot of great information to get into, so stick around. Face masks have become a part of our daily lives. There are so many styles that have been manufactured that we often get the question, what kind of heat transfer vinyl is safe to apply on them? Because of that, we have a green tab on our website that you can click on and it'll show you the whole list of heat transfer vinyl that we recommend for face masks. We're going to start off with a single-use face mask from Bella & Canvas. These can be purchased at Michael's stores, and we're going to use our home iron for this one because there's no seams. It's really, really easy for the home iron to apply on this face mask. I've already cut out and weeded my Easy Weed Glow, so we're going to go ahead and center this on our face mask. Use your cover sheet to cover everything up, and then we will press for 10 to 15 seconds on each section. And my iron is set to the cotton linen setting. And peel. And now you have an awesome new face mask. Let's move on to the next one. So next we're moving on to a sewed face mask. This was made following the Silhouette Cameo directions. And we are going to put a little monogram in the corner of the face mask. So we're using Siser Sparkle. I've already pre-cut and weeded this as well. And we're gonna use the sparkle because it has a soft texture to the glitter. You could still use regular glitter, but this is gonna be really nice for kids. We're also going to use our Cricut mini press today. It is on the second heat setting. That is typically what you're going to end up using for heat transfer with this little guy. So we're just gonna put our little sparkle monogram in the corner here and use our easy press to focus just on that corner for about 10 to 15 seconds. The sparkle is also a hot or cold peel. And now you have another great option for a face mask. Let's move on to another technique. So best results can be achieved with a heat press. We are using a 50-50 blend District brand from Sanmar, and we're also going to be using a heat transfer pillow. So this will help apply even pressure across the face mask. So I've folded up this long pillow and I've stuffed our face mask on top so we can get pressure across here. So I have Easy Weed Electric here that I'm going to be putting right in the center. This is actually the top of the mask. And we're going to put it pretty much in the middle here. We're going to center it up on our heat press as best as possible. Make sure you put your cover sheet on there, and then we probably will have to adjust our pressure. Let's see what happens. Yep. There we go. So Easy Weed Electric is a 305 Fahrenheit temperature press for about 10 to 15 seconds. We are going to do a second color on this front here really quick, so I'm not going to do a full press yet. But there you can see the red applied great. I'm going to add a little squad because we are the Siser squad. Once again, we will cover with our cover sheet, especially because we have that on there that's already been pressed. And we'll do one more final press. Let's get that Easy Weed Electric off of there as well. So on the inside, you can also apply heat transfer vinyl as long as it's from that list of approved HTV that we provide you. And then you can put a little label on the inside so the kids always know whose is whose. And this one's a little easier just to lay on the side here. You can always put a pillow underneath it still if the seams are getting in the way. The Easy Weed Electric is a hot or cold peel. Awesome. And now you have a super cool face mask that you can wear to work or school. Let's move on to the last technique. Finally, we're gonna move on to the last way to decorate your face mask, and probably the best way to decorate your face mask. A cap press has a nice curved platen, and it fits your face mask really, really easily. It also has a way to take these straps and secure them down so you can get good pressure across the full face mask here. We're going to be using our 100% cotton Port Authority mask from Sanmar. We're gonna do the same logo, but this time we're using Siser Easy Weed Stretch because we can get really good pressure across this whole face mask here. We also have it set to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And we'll just do a few seconds because we're gonna do another color on here. And we'll use our cover sheet once we have it applied, the first color to protect it. And we'll press for the remaining time. Now you can peel Easy Weed Stretch hot or cold. I'm gonna peel it hot because we're gonna move on to adding a label on the inside again. Again, just tightening it on our cap press platen here. And we're gonna add our label right in the center and press for the full time. And now you have another great option for a face mask for work or school. So when it comes to heat application, we recommend any of those ways that we just went over. But when it comes to washing instructions, we recommend that you follow the manufacturer's suggestions for best results. Sometimes high heat in your washer and your dryer can affect the HTV and cause it to peel. We would rather the HTV start failing you as opposed to your face mask start failing you. If you do have peeling occur, you can always repress for about 5 seconds with a cover sheet on top, and that should solve the issue. I hope this video helps you out. If you learned something, make sure to subscribe, comment, and leave a like. It really helps us out. I'm Lily from Siser, and this has been Clued Into Crafting.